guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing another apartment shopping vlog. We are on a roll with these. I had some errands to run at Target, and then I was like, while I'm there, I might as well get some stuff for my apartment. And then I was like, why don't I bring you guys with me? And that's how we got here. It's about 3 o'clock right now. I've just been doing stuff all day, just, you know, like little worky things. Yeah, and I have some errands to run. I made a list of a few things that I need, and then I might like peruse Target for some decor, because how do you not? I like it's Target. Also, a really quick side note before we like dive into this video, I have 2 giveaways going on. I have one on Instagram that's $100 Target gift cards. Like if you guys see any decor in this video that you're like, whoo-hoo, I like it, which you probably will because it's Target, let's be real here. This sounds like an ad for Target, it's not. So go follow me on Instagram, go enter that one. And then I have a school supplies giveaway. I'll have both my giveaways down below and like the links to the video and the post. So yeah, if you guys want to enter my school supplies giveaway, I'll have like the rules and links down below for that. Like every time I go out in public, we're gonna bring a mask. This one's cute. A lot of you guys asked me where I got my like mask from. I got this like 3-pack from Kitsch. I don't know. It's that place that sells like the hair clips. I need to put shoes on and then we can go and start shopping. I feel so bad for the people in Target. I'm dripping sweat. I had my AC on full blast, but I turned it down a little bit so I could talk to you. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's at 116 when I walked in my car. So it's so hot. Also, do you guys love Taylor Swift's new album? Because I'm obsessed with it. Kind of parked horribly. Sit here with the AC for a second. Okay, we're here. I don't know about you guys, but I'm like actually a big fan of the masks because they cover half my face. So I could be so ugly and no one will know. Okay, I always get so awkward. I always want to have a friend come with me so I don't like be awkward, you know. I need one of these, and this is really cute. Oh, it bends. I don't know if I like the fact that it bends. So I always had a collapsible one. Not coming out. Maybe it's a sign. I had a collapsible like laundry hamper, and like it always fell over when there was a ton of clothes. But I kind of like this one, but I can like, do you see how you can like squish it to make it fit? That worked. I don't want this one though. This will actually be nice. It'll be nice for moving stuff because obviously you need a laundry hamper, and I have one at home, but I don't know what my closet really looks like. So I think that'll be good that this kind of like can shift to wherever. My other one's plastic and it doesn't do that. If you guys ever wonder why I always come to Target with people in vlogs, because people literally look at me like I'm crazy because I'm talking to myself. These are super cute. I don't know if I'll need them though. We're in my favorite section, all the pillows and blankets. Kind of am going for more like a neutral color scheme. So I don't know. This is kind of cute, but I think this might be too yellow. Saw some really cute ones online, but it looks like everything's gone. A man just walked by me and he literally looked at me like I was insane. I also need sheets, but I think these might be for like fresh. Oh, this is a full. You know, I kind of was thinking, this man keeps following me. Like, I'm not kidding. Everywhere I go, he's there and he will not like leave me alone. He just passed me. Literally every time I go anywhere, he's there. What I was saying was, I have a full bed. The apartment comes furnished, so I don't need to buy furniture. I just need to buy like decor and stuff. And I was debating, do I want white sheets or do I want like, how many times can I drop this thing? Do I want white sheets or do I want neutral sheets? Because I want a white bedding. We're in the bedding section. I should look here. I kind of like this. Well, I don't know if I like the little things that they're, yeah. I do need sheets, so I'm gonna go back there because I think that creepy man's gone. I'm not kidding. I've probably seen him at least 20 times already, and I've been here for 10 minutes, so. Okay, a lot of these sheets are like blue. Most of them are gone. Hello, any sheets? Okay, this isn't like the color that I wanted, but I do, you know, it's soft. What does it come with? It's just the fitted sheet and not the pillowcases. I don't even see where I got it. Everything's gone. I came way too late for this. Is this it? That's a king size and it's $20, so I feel like it'd be cheap if it's, you know. How much is this one? Okay, I'm confused. I'm getting it. I don't know. I can return it. I'm looking at bedding and there's actually a few that I like. I really like this one. It has like these cute little like tassel-y things, and I wanted white bedding that has like some kind of texture to it. That's not gonna fit in there with this. I'm like, do I take this out and then come get it back? Like, that one's cute. I'm gonna put it in my car. It's the last one. I don't want it to go away. Or there's this one, which I think is also really cute. It has a different vibe to it. I can't tell. Kind of soft too. There's like a bunch of tassels too. I think the main difference, I'm just laying them on the ground. The main difference is the tassels on this one are cream. Could be nice. I don't even know what size this is because it doesn't even say. Oh, it's king. I don't have a king bed. I guess I could order it online. I do like this one. I think what I'll do is get it, and then if I don't like it, I could always return it. So I'm gonna take a picture of this other one that I like. I'm gonna ask my mom because she's not here and I trust her opinion more than I trust my own. You're welcome, Mom, if you're watching this. I know. Okay, we have more decisions to make. I found these sheets that I thought were a better match. They're like super soft. They're more expensive, but like they are freaking soft. And then found this, which is exactly what I wanted. And they had this one in like a terracotta color, which that's so loud. Do you hear this? Anyways, I really wanted like a either like terracotta or like oatmeal colored throw blanket that was kind of knitted and warm. I saw this one one, and then they also have a terracotta one, but they don't have the cheaper version of this, so they have like different sizes, and I just wanted the cheapest one because it's just a throw blanket, and they only had the expensive one for the terracotta one. So I'm like, do I buy it online? Do I go to another Target, or do I just get this, you know, like I don't know. This is why I can't shop alone, because I can't make decisions on my own. Okay, so I found the bedding that I liked in the size that I need. It's not soft like at all. Well, I don't know. Part of me is like, do I get both, ask my mom her opinion, and then return the one that I don't want? Is that mean? Am I allowed to do that? Is that legal? I mean, it is, but this is overwhelming. Okay, I want to go to the pillows because I saw the cutest pillows online, but it like they don't have that many pillows, so I think they might be sold out. So I'm like, do I have to order it online, or like what's the game plan? I'm trying to find where are the pillows. So this is really all they have, and I don't like them, but I saw the freaking cutest ones online. Where are those ones? That orange one, did I already look at that orange one? Maybe was this one of the cute ones that I looked at? I think this might have been one of the cute ones that I looked at. I think I kind of do like this one. Don't fall. Is there a smaller version of it? I don't think I like that. This one, boring. I'm trying to decide if I should go to another Target, or if will they be sold out at another Target. So is it even worth it? Should I just buy it online? No, I can't. Oh, I dropped everything. But a side note, look at my cart. I have so much stuff here. I can't even like, oh, that's smart. I'm really bad at making decisions on my own, so I think I might FaceTime a friend. She's not answering. Hello. Okay, my question is deciding between two bedspreads, and I think I decided which one I like because one's not that soft. Do you like this? Do you see it? It has like a little, or do you think that's too much? Or for you? For me. Or do you like this pattern, but it's not as soft? You think you like the first one? Yeah. Okay, thank you. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
We're getting the first one. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the home decor section, like the Chip and Joanna part, because I think there might be some really cute stuff in there, and all I really got was stuff for my bed, and I want to get some like decor stuff too. So, you know, so hard with the mask because I smile at people and they don't smile back, and I'm like, do you know I'm smiling at you, or can you not tell? Like, do my eyes not get happy enough? Do I not smize enough? I was looking over here, and this one might work for what I want, and it's cheaper, but I don't know if it's too orange for what I want. Like, this is very neutral, that's very orange, so I don't know if it's too much. That's also cute, but I'm afraid it's too yellow for what I want. I want very like neutral and like pops of terracotta, but not orange. Like, I don't want it to look like fall. Like, I feel like that's very like fall autumn. These are so cute. I don't even, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. Which ones do I want? I think maybe these two would go really good with my room. They're small, but I have like a little shelf that I want to put them on. They're so cute. I don't know if I need two though. Is anything, oh, this is all cute. It's very pinkish. I need a floor length mirror. I'm obsessed with this because I like being able to move it around, but I also wonder, can you take it off this easel, or is it like on there? And it also doesn't say a price. Well, which one is it? And also, can I put this in my car by myself? No idea, but I really like it. I think it's cute. I like the wood finish. Maybe I should wait to come with my mom to get this because she has a bigger car, but it's so cute. I don't know how much this is though. Ooh, I can't stop thinking about that mirror. I bought some frames from IKEA, but these ones are even cuter. Wait, are the smaller ones more expensive? 5x7. That's so cute. Okay, I'll get it too. I really need to check my bank account before I check out. So much freaking stuff. I also found this, which I thought was so cute. Like, I could put my purse or something on it, and then I can like hang it by the door, and then hand sanitizer, obviously, for move-in day, because there'll be a ton of people. Okay, I think I should quit while I'm ahead, right? I just need throw pillows and maybe a few more like styling pieces. I also forgot the whole reasons I came here. Okay, now we need to go to the beauty section because I ran out of foundation. This is the foundation that I wear. I'm too light. Okay, maybe I should get a lighter shade. Normally wear that shade, but or is that is there a mirror? Oh, I have a mirror. Literally genius. I can't tell. I'll get both. No, I shouldn't get both though. I guess I will. I don't know where to put it. I kind of recommend getting a mirror to like look in the mirror when you're shopping at Target to like reevaluate, like look at myself in the face and being like, do I really need this? Checking my bank account just to make sure. Okay, well, I hope we better be good. If we're not good, I better get rid of some stuff if we're not good. I also got this jaw clip and then these little hair sectioning clip for when I curl my hair, because I recently learned how to. We have everything in here, and now I'm gonna go, we're putting the cart back. Oh, you can't even, hi, hello. I'm sorry if you can hear the AC, it's just way too hot not to have it on, but it's not on full blast. I would say that was very successful. There are still a few things that I would like to get. I'm really happy how that trip went. I'll probably do another one of these videos when I eventually move in, because me and my roommates haven't even bought anything to like decorate like the living room and kitchen and stuff like that. So we'll probably do that together. It'll be fun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I have a ton more like college content and stuff like that coming up. Follow me on Instagram. I have that $100 Target gift card giveaway. If you guys want to go enter that, if you guys want to enter my school supplies giveaway, you can also do that. So many giveaways. It's a great time here. It's a party. No, I love you guys so much. Let me know what other back to school videos you guys want. I have a ton that I'm thinking of in my head. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.